Alright, smartphone enthusiasts, buckle up, because Realme is about to drop a bomb. The Realme GT 8 Pro is officially confirmed, and trust me, this phone isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a mind-blowing 200-megapixel Ricoh periscope camera, and a battery that just won't quit. Is this the ultimate Android flagship of 2025? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the Realme GT 8 Pro, a device that Realme is pulling no punches with. While it's officially launching in China on October 21st, 2025, the global rollout is expected to follow quickly. So, before the official reviews drop, let's break down everything we know about this absolute monster of a phone. Realme has officially revealed the design of its upcoming Realme GT 8 Pro smartphone. The announcement comes from Shu Qi, Realme's vice president and president of global marketing, who shared the details about the phone's unique mechanical assembly concept. Here's a look at the GT 8 Pro's color variants and modular camera feature. The Realme GT 8 Pro introduces the industry's first mechanical modular design that allows users to detach, assemble, and swap components. The camera deco module can be replaced with different shapes and finishes, giving the device multiple visual identities. Users can switch between square, round, and robot styles. When it comes to color options, the GT 8 Pro will be available in white, blue, and green. The GT 8 Pro features an AG matte glass back and a matte metal frame, offering a smooth and fingerprint-resistant texture. Shu Qi described the design as the brand's new aesthetic peak, merging mechanical craftsmanship with refined materials. The Realme GT 8 Pro sports a 2K 144Hz display with 7000 nit peak brightness and advanced eye protection features. For security, it features an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. Under the hood, the Realme GT 8 Pro will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, paired with 16GB RAM and the R1 gaming display chip. The device packs a 7000 mAh battery with 120-watt wired and 50 watts wireless charging support. For photography, it features a 50-megapixel Ricoh GR certified main camera with a 1.56-inch sensor, 7P high-transmission lens, and 5-layer anti-reflective coating for cleaner, distortion-free images. The main snapper is joined by an ultra-wide lens and a 2000-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. And it'll run on Realme UI 7 based on Android 16, offering a refined and feature-rich experience. What are your thoughts on the Realme GT 8 Pro? Are you excited for that 200-megapixel Ricoh camera? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our full review once this beast drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?